Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel, Northern Country Creations. So I am doing a book review today. I do them all the time. Be sure to check out all of my other book reviews. So I do a book review. I tell you everything about the book and show you the entire inside of the book in case you're looking for a book that you don't know what it looks like on the inside. If you are doing a horse journal or doing some horse crafts, this book is so cute. This has a cloth cover. It is hard copy. I don't know if this had a dust jacket, but it sure is darn cute even without it. It's called Buckshot, The Birthday Pony by Jean Miller. It's a Twyla Johnson illustrator. No, Twyla Johnson illustrator. So again, this is the spine. Like I said, it probably had a dust cover. About the author and the Buckshot series. So there's a little thing here about him and this little message from somebody. And this is sewn in signatures, so these pages will come out. So 1970, Crookston, Minnesota. Oh my goodness. Printed by Hawes Printing in Crookston, Minnesota. Interesting. In my own state. Okay, let's take a look. So I just thought this was beautiful, different pages. Even though it's a black and white, I just think black and white illustrations sometimes are just so pretty. And this is kind of a thinner paper. Again, here's your strings. So look at that, I can just pull them right out. So this, I can use the whole entire page. So this would be a great book to use for if you're making a horse journal. So definitely don't miss out on this one if you're interested in a horse book. All right, thank you for joining me. That was just a short one, but that's the book review. Did I tell you the size? I'm pretty sure I did. So it was 8 3/4 by 11 1/4. Yep. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.